Today, I'm gonna show you my world famous bourbon glazed smoked ham. You can't go wrong with this. All right, we've got this delicious, about 10-pound spiral cut ham here. We're going to put a little bit of yellow mustard on the outside to act as a binder, and we're gonna season it up with that Rossarooski's honey rib rub. It's a delicious, sweet rub. It's gonna give us some great flavor on the outside before we put our glaze on. It's time to go outside. I've got the RT700. It's sitting at 200 degrees perfectly, not fluctuating 1 degree, sitting right at 200. We're burning the Kingsford Maple pellet today. You know, maple goes hand in hand with bourbon. You know, like chocolate and peanut butter, Sonny and Cher, green beans and potatoes. I mean, it just goes hand in hand. I see it at the recteq, dads. All right, the recteq's doing all of the work. It's smoking that ham right along. While the ham is smoking, it's time to assemble our glaze. We're gonna add some delicious bourbon. I like to use the good stuff when I'm making my glazes. Then peach preserves, honey, brown sugar, brown mustard. The spicier, the browner, the coarser, the better in this application. And then a little bit of ginger. Mix all of those up. Put them on the inside of the grill about 5 to 10 minutes before we're ready to glaze. That's gonna let them marry and meld together. Once they marry and meld together, we'll glaze that ham up every 10 to 15 minutes until it's shiny and bourbony and glazed to deliciousness. Man, this ham looks absolutely amazing. For our glaze, we use peach preserves. You guys can substitute any other preserves or any other jams or jellies that you like. But I've got to taste this bad boy to see if that bourbon really penetrated. Just gonna pull a little from the side here. Nobody will know. Make sure I get some of that glaze in there. That looks great. Oh yeah. That sweet peach, that bourbon kick. You can also taste some of that Kingsford Maple pellet. Man, this recipe will knock your socks off. Try it this holiday season. Thank you so much. But it's time for me to go inside and serve this delicious ham up. I think I'm gonna make maybe a delicious ham sandwich. I may go ahead and refrigerate this, cut this up, use it on a delicious salad. Chef Greg said he wanted to use some of this in a macaroni dish as well. So it's super, super versatile. You can use it on many other things, or it could be the highlight of your holiday table. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm Jody Flanagan, Barbecue Dad. Follow me on all social media at BBQ Dad Jody, and we'll see you at the recteq.